Come on.
Nice dog.
Yeah, I know. It's a rare breed. Oh, can you fetch balls and sticks? Come on, Puppy, let's go find a ball.
I don't know where there is one.
You gonna speak? You gonna bark? Let's hear your bark.
Hey puppy, look over here.
Oh, hey, there's Mama. Okay, ready? Yeah. That's a good one. Okay, let's see your bark. Okay, go get it. Go get it, puppy.
I'm done.
Are you all done being a puppy, Eli? Here, look at Mom.
Mama.
Okay.
No, I don't want to be a puppy.
A circle.
A circle.
And then a circle. A
Okay, then. Okay. Put it on the floor. There we can make a circle. Kind of. Your tongue. Make a circle. Oh, and then what if we made a triangle? Look at it.
They just do that.
What if we made a square?
See that? That thing? And see? Like that.
Just like that.
Eli, how old are you gonna be?
2.5.
But on your birthday, how old are you gonna be?
2.
No.
Remember this, Eli?
No.
Yeah, you're gonna be 3.
They go down.